The accelerator pump is a small but vital component in a carburetor. When a driver accelerates, the accelerator pump delivers extra fuel into the engine, helping it to produce more power. There are a number of symptoms that can indicate an accelerator pump isn't working properly. One of the more common symptoms is sluggish acceleration because the engine simply isn't getting enough fuel. The problem could be serious enough that the engine sputters or even stalls. Other symptoms can include hard starting or minor hesitation during acceleration. Accelerator pumps can wear down and eventually fail. If your customer needs a replacement, the components can be found in carburetor rebuild kits. While accelerator pump design varies between carburetors, the parts may include the diaphragm, discharge nozzle, pump cam, and check balls or check valves. In addition to being available in kits, these components are often sold individually. Every accelerator pump at minimum has base adjustments, which must be correctly set for proper performance. Depending on the type of carburetor, accelerator pumps can be tuned to match the weight, gear ratio, and intended performance of the vehicle. Vehicles designed for street use don't typically feature adjustments. However, this is a critical adjustment for racers, and carburetors designed for this purpose feature multiple options for adjustment. These vehicles with high performance or modified engines often require larger accelerator pump nozzles and increased diaphragm capacity to meet higher fuel demands during rapid acceleration. Adjusting the pump cam to deliver an increased volume of fuel at specific throttle positions can optimize performance. The accelerator pump is an important component for ensuring smooth acceleration and optimal engine performance. A thorough understanding of the pump's role and how it works will help you help your carburetor customers keep their classic or race car in top operating condition. Thanks for watching.